Well, here we go. Another Volkswagen Jetta video. A sort of big reveal for anybody watching my videos. Here's a Jetta Wolfsburg. I put a Wolfsburg video. This is kind of my parts car. All it had was a bad clutch, but I got carried away and started just stripping it for every single part. And now this is my car. I'm trying to work on a steampunk car. Here is the video before it is finished. So, anyways, this is a radiator is messed up right here. I'm going to fix it, but this part got broke. Oh, well, I guess that explains why it's been flopping around in the universe. And here's this. I'm gonna actually see if it even drains. Oh, it's draining. Oh boy, it's peeing. Ugh. Red. But it's been overheating like a mother. Shoot. I think it's yucky water anyways. Hardly anything came out, so anyways, this is my radiator video. There's a lot of radiator videos on YouTube, so I guess I don't need to really talk too much about it. I'm just proud of my steampunk headlights. I'm gonna have a matching one hopefully by the end of this project. But all I'm trying to spit out is that this radiator needs to come out. This needs to come off. This whole front needs to come off. That's one way of doing it. But if you watch the YouTube videos and do some good research, you'll find the best way to remove the radiator that will help. If you look at this one over here, I just took the whole front end off to get to the radiator. And this is for the air conditioner system. It's still closed, because this is so much pressure in here. If you open it, you'll get a nice fresh sensation. This is the video, and if you watch the other videos, there's the other Audi, or the other one that I haven't even got to finish yet. But this video is about the Jetta radiator remove and replace, but I'm actually not gonna do all that on this video, because those guys I did step-by-step videos on how to replace. I don't want to steal their thunder, but this is it.